Hi, so I need to get things cleaned up and organized in my jewelry corner. It's not like terribly out of place, but I need to put this, change it out, put some away, put out something else, and clean up in this area when I go live. My son will take care of that, and this is where he puts things where he's not sure where they go. This is where everything goes, and so let's get cleaned up. All right, so I feel I can breathe easier. I feel a lot better. My space is restored to some semblance of order. Sometimes when things get out of order, I lose my head. So it looks better. I don't have anything up on my board right now. I'm going to pull out some sets to kind of showcase throughout the week. And then my assistant, he didn't put these away, but that's fine. He'll do that right before my next live and then put out some things. So, okay. So everything is back to some semblance of order, which this was already in order. I do keep that in order. And then everything's put away. My shipping material, items there. And then this, I use this surface for different things. And this is usually things that he doesn't know where it goes. I put those away, so that is still my responsibility. But for the most part, I do run a dual business, and so those other things are for my other business. But there you go. Bye.